Ya, malo se fo se tatou tunu. Ya, ole just o ina fo nei ole tatou di poti nei mai le tatou falisinia ni ole SanSid Auto Limited ya i nei o tau. Ya pe ona fa lo atu de vai aso mai. Ya, tapu se yo manui pe se tatou tunu. Ya ai malo longa fo le weekend. Ya le ngata fo le yo lo sapati fo i pe ona lo tia i le sao mai. E mana i fa malo si le no mo mai fo i le fa malosi fo ia le matou launga fo ia le matou fo ia fai launga. O le fono fa longo ye, fa longo i bo fai sina le fono fa longo ye. Ape wa matou tau ngalo vo le tia. Mena tau wa ya le tatu wo fo ia i le i lotu ia sa ia man tua fo i fai mele fionga le tua. E tupul fa tu le tau longo e pero no fa longo i fai fai launga ngai po ha lava tatu ngal wengo lo fai ni vai tin. Ya e o fo ngal wengo lu te fai atua. Po le almo lungo ra unga luenga pe te loia fo mai pe te kilingi po le lava le tulanga ia ya e finga tai na ve tatou ma milionea pe mau o avo ile fiwe kama fai es finga tai ona ve tatou ma o inga luenga lo tatou fai ai mana ia ai fa mai ma fai ona ve tatou ma o pe a fai e ia Yesu i tonu lo loto vai de ba ia yo fa malo si ia ale matou fai launga le sa ma vai mai ai ma fai ona ve o maua pe a fai e ia Yesu tono lo loto ia vai dal fai mo fia ia ale fa malo si na mana ia fai fa pe no fai tu leva no fa longo ia ai wa ngalo foi le tia mana ia toi fa pe ko fresh mai foi le ia le fa malo si na ia le fai launga na atemni o le o te misalo wa te la titira tula suma lua ile aso nei se mana io nei aso ia le aso lua nei amato nei o kilani sire nei o tou e fa sala sa o tu lava i tato falta vale nei o le SanSid o le tato le sorry tato fale insinia nei o SanSid Auto Limited o lo fai ia tato ta vale le tato telefoni o le o iva valu no iva fitu over tas pe a fe te mana te vili me fso ta me se poki mai so ava no ava le fai lo sa o le o iva valu no iva fitu over tasi o le tato address o le numero se full weaver Princess Street in yo tau fungo fia ia so la mal pamule ale se le i ia fa sanga tonu lava male le titi lo sa o toi ia le ti mana ho se auto sanga limited no fa la tu mele tu le o ia na fa sanga tonu o le si tu na ile ti mana o le si tu le tato falisinia le fa na misia toi le o tau no mai o fa le vasina tumo le tato falisinia o le matua tumo te mele masalo to telo la tu sa respond by for tato accident tu atu va solia e karusia ia vai atu to no mai fa le vasina pisi fa mai fa le tua ia pole fo yo le tato falisinia ma kwa pisi ala so nei fa ftai masalo to tela tu non respond by i le tato act non tu atu lunga a mesia il tongina fo yo tato tongi man tu tato se pole arfia fa yo ta vali ia a le se tupe ia e fintai una fai o wala ia le tongi ai se mana ia le after pay nga te le pai o le sip o ka se mana ia tongi ai ave vatu la ta vale fanga te mene tatu ton se fata no atu le pule ia man tu fo il fata vale nei o le afo ia o le pisinisi le lungali ma se la fana tama to lua ia o langa fo le te fai atu o sosoani tam fai sosoani fo le pisinisi se lungali ile ia ma se la fana ia fa pena fo ile tam fai fo le avatu fo nei po kalami sosoani te fo se tatu tunu ina ima fai ono mai fai la tu ta vale i ma to fai fale lei ala mana i tongina e pe o le after pay o le sip o le si pe mengi nga ka o le pai ese le mana ia pe o le talana ele to fa mana tu atu pe ona fai mai so la vai le upo le tonu tu spaia pe mai e lo ale me le ale fai o le sala na ia lo te lo ale me le dia e ta ona fai atu tatu tunu e o mai fai la tu ta vale i ia e wa au le fai ia e tanga sala ia e la tatu ton ia se va inga nai tonu i le tele o tatu ta vale fu o lo fafo i ia na lo fa te talo nisi na lo tonu ta vale lo fai terminate ia o tele io service na lo fai ele ngate le fitness o le service fo le masani tai pe te ono masina ia po te se fulu foi kei ia ona service la ia ia male tele au isi mea pe o swing o ni mea foi o fale tono ni pat ia fangata foi lea io ni tele au isi mea lo fa tino fale fina pisi o tato fale insinia le so ia pe ona fai loa mai le pule le sunga a Sarandra o temini la tatu o msao la tatu o sao lava e fatara noa atu loa ia sesi foi ia o le pulenga le tato fale insinia ale o le tamahi o le tinale la fatano atu e tu sai fo ia manisi fo ia wala e ini me le sa misi vai aso lea ona ta mai ya e wuto mana tu al terminate le la te la tu tonu fatano ia to fai lo mai tatu tunu
Talofa Samoa. My name is Sandy and welcome to our weekly chit chat with Lower Bay Samoa.
Hello, good afternoon, Cindy. Yeah, I'll just let you know you are so beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Because you don't know, but people they like me and the audience, what they're watching now, they can see that. How's your weekend, Cindy?
Weekend was really good. I was doing my veggie gardens.
Okay, that's good. How's today? When I come here, it was very busy what I see. Is that right?
Yeah, it's just that time of the year now that we're getting busy with all the WAF renewals and loop services coming up. Yeah.
All right, we got to straight to the point now. We got to ask some questions and you answer.
Sure.
Like the same question I asked to Sandra last week. What are you? The main thing. That's a very important big question to me myself, and I think. And the audience too, the
yeah.
What do you mean of your payment?
Okay, I'll tell you. I've got a list. I'll show this to you. Lay-by.
Yes.
We accept lay-by. Zip.
Yes.
Own it now, pay later. It's pay in 4 payments, interest free. Genoa Pay. Pay over 10 weeks, interest free. And the most popular one is Afterpay.
That's my favorite one.
Yeah, and everyone loves this. But we will also accept Aotea Finance if you have subscription to this. And we also accept FPOS, credit cards, cash, whatever means of payment you can, but I would say Afterpay is the game changer.
Yeah, that's right. So yeah, that's the one. That's my favorite, Afterpay, because
it's very popular nowadays. Yeah,
because people, even the car is broken, they still can't fix because
in an emergency, if you bring your vehicle to do a warrant and then all of a sudden you don't know there are some repairs that come up, don't pay it up front. You can use Afterpay, 4 payments, and it's interest free. There's no extra cost to it.
And even that one, what's that called? That one?
Zip, lay-by.
Lay-by. No,
Yeah.
the old
Lay-by.
The old lay-by, you only release your...
No. This is just similar to Afterpay. It's got a different name. So it works just like Afterpay. You pay using this, you take your vehicle home, and you can keep paying. This is into 6 interest-free weekly payments.
That's the main...
So your payment is divided into 6 weekly payments.
The thing that is very important to me is interest free.
Yeah. So your total that we will tell you on day 1 does not change.
Yes.
That is quite good.
All right, we got to move off the other one. What service are you provided over here?
Okay. My services would be diagnostics and scanning. So that is where you put a computer attached to your vehicle and then find out if there is a light coming on your dash. That's how we rectify that. Loop service, which is also known as oil change. And I must tell you, your oil change should be done every 6 months or every 10,000 kilometers you've done. That is very important. We also provide new and used tires, quality WAF repairs and WAF checks. And I should add, this is MTA approved standard of work. Well alignments, electrical work, ventilation, which is air conditioning, and your heater problems. If your car is not heating or not cooling, the aircon is not working, we could look into that. And above all, the pricing is reasonable.
That's good, that's good. So how do we find you?
Okay. We are that same SanSid Autos that used to be at Huia Road. A lot of my customers from the other side are trying to still find me.
Yes, that's true.
And because of what happened in 2020 with all these COVID, we've lost a connection with all these people. And we are getting back to it now. So find us on Facebook, SanSid Autos. You can go on our website. You can also make a booking on the website. You need a WAF or a loop service or any sort of mechanical repairs, you can just book online. And also you can call us 09-869-7081. Our email as well, sansid.autos@gmail.com. And website, I've told you, Facebook. So we are out there. Just look for SanSid sign. Otahuhu, Princess Street, just beside Burger King and Z petrol station.
All right, I think it's very clear where we can people find you. And also there's opposite of G-Mana there.
Oh yes, yeah. G-Mana plus the restaurants. You can leave your car here and go have a
and the other thing,
lunch.
We've got a nice sitting room there too.
For people to sit around,
Yes, they read their Bible or they read their Facebook.
Yeah, and there's free Wi-Fi as well,
Yes.
so you can just be on your phone.
Just ask you the password.
We've got the password there.
Oh, the password is already.
So you actually don't need to ask anyone.
Okay, my last question, Sant. What else you want to say? What else you want to say to the audience?
Okay. I would like to give an offer to the audience today.
Right.
We're running a promotion in September, which is called September 50%.
Okay.
So we're giving you 50% off. We're giving you a combo for WAF and a comprehensive lube service, which starts from $250. Normally this was starting from $450, but just for September, it's starting from $250, depending on the
this month.
yes,
This whole
yeah,
month.
till the end of this month. So grab it when you can.
Yes.
You can send us an email, book from our website, or just give us a call and say you've heard this on Lower Bay Samoa. Yeah. Just mention Lower Bay and you automatically get that 50%.
Oh, that's good. See, this is the other benefit from when you mention low pay. It's very simple. It's just low pay. Just say, I heard that on low pay.
Just talk to us. Yeah.
All right, then, because you are very busy, you can see a lot of cars here and also you're in the office.
Yeah, it is just that time of the year. Yeah.
All right, thank you for your time. We'll talk again next week.
No worries at all.
And we have a very good day today and also the rest of the week. Thank you.
Thank you, audience. We'll connect again next week.
Yeah, we have now we have another customer over here. It's like a regular customer. Hey, can you say something about this SanSid Auto Link? Why you always come bring your car here to fix the SanSid Auto Limited?
Yeah, absolutely. Well, SanSid, should I look at the camera or look at you? I'll look at the camera. Okay. Hey, SanSid. It's a great workshop and a great environment to bring your car for mechanical, workmanship and craft. This is my Mark 1 Pajero, and she's a very, she's a classic now. She's a 30-year-old car. She's a 1990, and she's a pride and joy of mine as well. And as you do with cars, you have to bring them in. You have to look after them. If you got to look after your car, and they'll look after you. And bringing my car through to SanSid, this is a group of people and a family that are very proud about their workmanship and they hold pride in what they do, and they do it very well. And they're my regular whenever I have issues or work that needs to be done on my car. I come through to SanSid because I know that they are gonna take care of all the intricacies that need to be done in regards to maintaining her, and you know, just their workmanship is on point, and they look after, you know, they look after their customers and they look after their vehicles, and you know, they're very proud in what they do, and they will do it to the highest standard. Yeah.
Alright. So, thank you.
Yeah.
That's our time. Is like we wanna cut it short. What do you last say to the people? They still not undecided. They're still looking for
Yeah.
A place to fix their car.
Yeah, no, absolutely.
Same.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, SanSid is the place to come. As you can see with their workshop here, they have a world-class workshop here. All the tools and every service that you need to be done on your vehicle, they can sort you out, and they've got the capacity and the abilities to do it, and they'll do it well as well. They see their jobs through, you know, start to finish, no shortcuts. They do it all properly, and they have a lot of pride in their work. So SanSid is the best place to come, and it's a great family here too. It's a good
We're
time.
going to talk again next week.
Absolutely.
Very good stay. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
bye.
Cheers.